monster.
This is a Labubu. Cute, but not really my vibe. So today, we are giving it a robotic upgrade. This is not just gonna be another keychain. It will be functional, maybe a little bit creepy, but I promise you, it's gonna be way cooler than how we started it. So let's upgrade this thing, Terminator-style. Here is the plan. After analyzing the Labubu, I think that the first step is gonna be to unstitch the head. And after that, we're gonna have enough space to be able to add the red eye and the motor to be able to rotate the head. And finally, we will have a Labubu Miniature. Not my favorite color, but it will do it. I'm gonna remove some of the stuffing, so that way we have enough space. Okay, so I was able to remove this part, which actually is an interesting mechanism. They only use this to be able to wrap it in this way. So it's just they just, I guess, put a pressure when they are building it, when they are assembling it. So they push it through inside of this. Obviously, this is inside, and basically is able to rotate. Very simple mechanism to be able to make it happen. So I remove a lot of the filling. If you've never seen a Labubu inside, it has like this little wire, and basically this wire is what it allows it to move the hand. So that's how it's able to do it. For the legs, they don't have anything. My only worry right now is that I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough space to be able to put the motor. Alright, so now we have the servo, and the idea is to be able to have this part, which is rounded, to be able to connect it with the head, so that way we can rotate it. Man, it just barely fits.
Bad guy in little coat.
Barely fits now. It's like, it looks a little bit squarish. But once that we put the head, I'm gonna put it here, and it should be able to rotate. Right. So now this. There are seams I'm seeing here, maybe here might be the best way for us to unstitch it, so that way we can add that part, so this part, and we can put it here, and then we can start sewing it to start connecting it. Also, we want to make a hole because we want to connect an LED. Now, the time that you have been waiting to see if this thing is gonna move or not. Drones, please. Tudun, tun, tudun. Tudun, tun, tudun. And also, check this out. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Tudun, tun, tudun. Okay, like and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. Obviously, I need to figure out how to pack all of these and maybe as well add the brain, maybe add a camera. I mean, there are many things that I can add to this project. So leave in the comments what ideas do you have. And thanks for watching. Bye.